Hi everyone, it's Kay from Kay's Creative Home. Welcome back to the channel. Well, today I have a shopping haul. There were some great clearance items I found at Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to share those with you today, and you might be able to still find some for yourself. All right, let's get started. So first I have this yellow mesh, and they're changing their mesh. Oh, I'm saying hello again. They've changed their mesh, so you have to be careful which one you pick up. So the one in the back is the one I usually get, and I use it for my foundation. And then they have this new one, same names, different prices, but this new one, I don't know if you can look at it and see the difference. It's more of a fabric mesh. See how different that looks? So I thought I'd try it and see, what I could use it for. So we're going to be working with that. And then they had this other poly mesh, and I use this. It's the harder one. I use this for making flower petals. It was on sale for $2.99. Okay, next we have the flower centers on sale for 99 cents. I've never used these, so I thought I'd give them a try for that price. So I grabbed the 3 that were on the shelf. So next I found this ribbon that has a solid color down the center and stripes to the side. I really love that for the effect. And it is 18 feet by 2.5 inches wide, and it was $1.99. And then I found that beautiful orange color would be great for fall, even for the summer. This pale green color, the same 18 feet for $1.99. And it would be great for like a baby's wreath, or again something springish. And then they had it in a light pale blue, again great for a baby's room. Same dimensions, the 18 feet by 2.5 inches wide. It's showing a kind of teal here, but it is a really pale blue. And that again is $1.99. Everything came to like 75 to 80% off. Here again another pale baby blue with polka dots. Again the 18 feet by 2.5, and it is $1.99. The same in purple with white polka dots. The 18 feet by 2.5 inches. It's also $1.99. And then this really cute nautical ribbon I love. And that is 1.5 inches wide by 18 feet. And that's $1.24 a roll. And it's a great teal color it will go well with the teal ribbon we got at Sam's this spring. So I can't wait to add this to my wreaths. I think I'm going to be doing a nautical one soon. So next I have another nautical one. It is this blue and white with the anchors and the anchor chain. I thought it was really cute. And that one is 18 feet by 2.5 inches wide, and it is $2.24 a roll. All of this ribbon is wired. I'm not sure if I said that. And then we have another great blue and white pattern coming up. I thought this was gorgeous. This is the type of prints I want to buy, and they're usually super expensive. But this again is the 18 feet by 2.5 inches wide, and it was $2.24 a roll. Now I found a bling. I really like this bling ribbon. It is silver, and I thought the black was mixed in, but that's actually just a print on the outside plastic wrapping. So it is all silver. It is 2 inches by 14.75 feet, so almost 15 feet, and it is $3.49 a roll. I can't wait to try this on something. I'm a bling girl, so I can't wait to bring some more bling into my wreaths. Did I say 2 or 3? $3.49 a roll. All right, so I'll put this to the side, and then we have I think I brought out, the canvas one next. It's like a canvas ribbon, and it's got that gold trim. I think it'll be great mixed in with some of the Christmas canvas ribbon I have. It's 2.5 inches wide, 18 feet long, and it was $2.24 for this roll. They only had one. Then I got another bling. It is the bling ribbon with gold netting. It is 1.5 inches wide by 15 feet long, and that was $2.24 a roll. Next I have a black and gold zigzag print, and it's very blingy, very sparkly, great for New Year's, great for Halloween. Wired edge, it's 2.5 inches wide by 18 feet, and that price was $1.49 a roll. Then I found all these little rolls of this lime green. It's got sparkle and glitter in it, which is hard to see on camera, but it's so pretty. Again, this is great for spring, great for a baby's wreath. Plenty of other things you can mix this beautiful lime green. It would even work with your monster wreaths we do for Christmas. I don't want to say the name. It is 1.5 inches wide by 18 feet long, and the price of each roll was $1.49. Love it. Bought all they had. They had this in different colors, but not the other colors weren't on sale. Then I found these little tin containers in the back. I thought it'd be great for storage. I'm always looking for inexpensive ways to store my crafts. This taller one, I'm not sure how tall it is, but it was $1.87. I wish I had laid it against the mat to see how tall exactly. And this shorter one, I got 4 of them, and they were $1.12 each. It's got a cute little lid and everything. I'll probably be using it without the lid. Store something tall in there. Okay, so we're going to move on to this rope ribbon. I don't use a lot of rope because of the cost, but again, when you find it on clearance, you might want to try it. This rope is 5/8 inches wide, and they are 15 feet long. And this taupe and the cream one was $1.99. The deep red was $2.49. And I started to go back and say, oh, y'all priced this wrong. But then I realized this other rope behind here, the blue and white, was $2.49. So I'm like, oh, maybe the cheaper ones got marked wrong. So I'm not going to say anything. I'll take what I can get. So the blue and white is also a 1/2 inch wide by 15 feet long. So I'm going to be using this, I think, when I do my nautical wreath. That'll probably be coming up. Well, it's got to come up real soon because summer is right on our tails. Again, all the ribbon came up to like the 75 to 80% off. If you're enjoying the videos, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it. And if you're not a family member, you might want to hit that button and ring the bell so you'll be notified as new videos are released. I appreciate all the support you all have been giving me. My views have been wonderful. I'm glad you're enjoying the videos. And as always, leave me any questions you have in the comments. Be happy to try my best to answer them. So I've already talked about this blue and white nautical. Can't wait to do that. I'm just like excited when you get something new and you can just kind of picture it in something. Yes, I'm looking forward to using these nautical wreaths. To making a nautical wreath with these ropes. So that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate you spending time with me. And I think I'm going to get up and do some cleaning in this craft room. All right? Thank you for spending this time with me. And I'll be talking with you again real soon. Bye now.